Survival is all about being prepared for the unexpected. When you're out in the wild, the right tools can mean the difference between life and death. In this video, we'll talk about one of the most important tools in your survival kit, your knife. We'll explore how choosing the right knife, like the Helle Raud S, can significantly enhance your survival skills and how to use it effectively in emergency situations. Whether you're building a shelter, starting a fire, or preparing food, mastering the use of a survival knife is key to increasing your chances of survival in the wild. First, let's talk about what makes a good survival knife. A solid, versatile blade like the Helle Raud S is a perfect example. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it's durable, sharp, and resistant to corrosion. Features you absolutely need in unpredictable conditions. A good knife needs to be sturdy enough to handle tough tasks like battening wood for fire, yet sharp enough for precision work like preparing food or carving tools. When selecting your knife, look for one that feels comfortable in your hand, has a solid grip, and can hold an edge well. Now, let's go over how to use your survival knife effectively. One of the most important skills is fire starting. A survival knife, when paired with a ferro rod, can be a lifesaver. The spine of a knife like the Helle Raud S is designed to scrape against a ferro rod, producing sparks that ignite your tinder. In an emergency, this could mean the difference between warmth and hypothermia. Next, your knife is essential for shelter building. Whether you're cutting rope, sharpening stakes, or splitting wood, a good knife can make constructing a reliable shelter much easier. Use the battening method, striking the back of the knife with a piece of wood to split larger logs. This allows you to gather smaller pieces of wood for kindling or structural components for your shelter. A dull or rusty knife can be dangerous. Regular maintenance will keep your tool reliable when you need it most. Always clean your blade after use, especially after working with materials like sap or food. A quick rinse and wipe down will prevent buildup and corrosion. Sharpen your knife regularly with a whetstone to ensure a sharp edge, and consider oiling the blade to prevent rust, especially if you've been in wet or humid environments. In survival situations, the quality of your gear matters. The Helle Raud S, for example, is made from triple laminated stainless steel. This ensures that the blade retains its sharpness while being resilient against impact. Cheap or poorly made knives can break when you need them most, so investing in a high-quality survival knife is essential. To sum it up, your survival knife is one of your most essential tools. From starting fires to building shelters, a reliable, well-maintained knife like the Helle Raud S can significantly boost your ability to survive in the wild. Remember to choose a knife that fits your needs, keep it sharp, and maintain it properly. If you're serious about survival, mastering the use of your knife is a must. Whether you're an experienced survivalist or just getting started, take the time to practice these skills. Test out different knives like the Helle Raud S and find what works best for you. And remember, survival is about preparation, so build your skills before you need them. Stay safe, stay sharp, and keep practicing.